Hi, I'm Linda Tanner. I'm running for District 9, Sullivan County, which is a flotarial district, which causes a lot of confusion. They redistricted after the last census, and whichever party's in office tends to redistrict the way they want to set up their particular candidates. So the District 9 is set up in Sullivan County, and it takes a little bit from each town. It's kind of like a at-large position almost. So I have 8 towns and 2 suburbs. I have Cornish, Croydon, Plainfield, Grantham, Newport, Sunapee, Unity, Plainfield, and the 2 suburbs are Meriden and Georges Mills. So that's the area that I cover. I planned on primary day to try to hit each one of the primary sites. It was 136 miles. I'm a retired school teacher. I taught at Kearsarge Regional High School for 35 years, physical education, health, and health occupation, running into a lot of former students. Paul, who's running the videotape, is actually one of my former students. So that's been a really good time. I moved to New Hampshire a long time ago because I was drawn here by the beauty and the recreational offerings, and came right out of Teachers College and got the job at Kearsarge. And after that first year I was here, I fell in love with the culture. The Yankee frugality, rugged individualism that you had to make it through a tough winter, and the winter of '69 was a pretty tough winter up here. We had, snow up to about here. And the compassion for people, the pride of school and the pride of community, and the freedom, the respect for individual freedom and liberty here was just something that I really fell in love with. And so I stayed and taught for 35 years and retired and played some tennis and had a good time, and suddenly realized what was going on down at our State House. And started contacting my local representative in Georges Mills, who Sue was running against, Spec Bowers. And I had numerous conversations with him and numerous emails, and when he finally emailed me and said, "This is where I'm getting my information," and it was a talk radio station with Howie Carr down in Massachusetts, I said, "I've got to be part of the solution. This is just too much. I'm too frustrated." So when the position came up and very few people wanted to take on 8 towns and 2 suburbs, I decided that I would do that. So what I'm standing for, obviously I'm very interested in public education. They've tried to pass more than 40 bills down in the last legislative session that have been largely not gone through because of Governor Lynch or because of the Senate. But they wanted to eliminate public kindergarten. They wanted to lower the dropout age. They wanted to actually stop compulsory education. It's been an onslaught. And then, to add insult to injury, the war on women. They're trying to repeat marriage equality. So there's a lot of issues I'm interested in. The upcoming legislative session wants to attempt to ruin collective bargaining or eliminate collective bargaining across the state, just like Wisconsin. So, I'm really fired up and into it. And if you know of anybody in those 8 towns, what I really need is votes. I'm running against Tom Howard from Croydon. He's a Tea Party person and has voted right down the Republican line that they've had in Concord. And so votes November 6th is big. If each one of you could talk to 10 people, that'd be great. So thank you for having me here today.